little bit more west, northwest, but that's still pushing the water in. That's not going to stop. By the end of the day, we may see some sunshine, but in the meantime, we're taking the storm surge. We have a long way to go before things get better. All right, going out toward First Street again. Again, I don't see any large debris. There's a log down there. Looks like it was from a palm tree. Up the street here. This is right off First Street here, where the University of Florida Biological Center is. You can see the water just literally flowing right up the street.